Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on dark mode on Mastodon. So let's get started. First we're going to start off by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. It's going to take us to our profile. Next we're going to click on the settings icon that's located in our top right corner. And it takes us to our settings, and you can see now it's set to automatic. We're going to click on always dark, and then we're going to click on done. So as you can see, now I'm going to show you how it looks. This is how it looks on the profile, the posts. Next we're going to go to our home page again, and this is how dark mode looks. That's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do like this video if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!